Well, hello everyone and welcome to this review of the best cinematic music for drone footage. Now let's look at the reality first. Drone footage is inherently emotional and grand by nature, but it has no natural audio or ambient sound. The music has to carry the entire weight of the scene. Beautiful footage with bad music is just a background B-roll, but beautiful footage with the right music is a story. To keep your editing fast, you just need to match your visual pace to 4 core audio styles. First, for slow sweeping reviews, you want building ambient or orchestral tracks. Look for music that starts quietly and swells over time, allowing the sound to match the gradual reveal of the landscape. Second, if you're editing fast FPV or action footage, skip the slow strings entirely. You need energetic electronic tracks or driving beats with a high tempo to match the aggressive, rapid movement of the drone. The third is for classic nature and landscape shots. For these, lean heavily into peaceful ambient music and cinematic strings. This gives the viewer a sense of awe and scale, making vast mountains and coastlines feel genuinely majestic. For the fourth option, this is for travel and adventure content. For this, you want uplifting and inspiring tracks. These should feel optimistic and forward-moving, capturing the excitement of exploring a new destination. As a quick editing tip, always try to match the natural build of the music to the acceleration or rotation of your footage. Now, where do you actually find these tracks? Free options like Upbeat or YouTube Audio Library do offer dedicated aerial sections, and they are safe from copyright claims. But while free libraries work fine for casual videos, epic large-scale cinematic music is exactly where they fall short. The tracks can sound thin, synthetic, or heavily overused. So if you want to save time and get that massive professional cinematic sound, the most efficient solution is Artlist. They actually have a dedicated drone music collection built right into the platform, meaning you don't have to guess what works for aerial shots. You can instantly filter by cinematic, epic, or ambient moods to pull up radio quality compositions that sound like they were scored by a film composer. For video editors on a tight turnaround, their standard license covers YouTube, social media, and client work, so you can drop a track in and export without any legal headaches. Plus, if you ever need a specific aerial view you couldn't shoot yourself, they have an extensive library of AK stock drone footage you can pull from. If you want to speed up your workflow and elevate your visuals, I've put the link to Artlist in the description below. Using that link gets you 2 extra months free on any annual plan. If you fly drones and want your footage to feel genuinely cinematic, this is the easiest way to give your edit that premium high production value. So do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.